So we're just going to thank everybody all at the same time. Everybody at Gobblers now, one big thank you. 1, 2, 3. All right, that's the state police and everybody. We appreciate everybody being here. We also want to remember. Ladies and gentlemen, what you please give a rousing applause in the inner circle of the flip. Happy Groundhog Day. Happy Groundhog Day! You're welcome.
We have with us 2 scrolls that have been prepared. One is spring and one is winter. Are you ready to find out? You look beautiful today. Billy, help me out. Put your hand on the cane with me. We got a prediction. Are you ready?
Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. Today, 2/2/22. Welcome to Punxsutawney to celebrate Groundhog Day, the 136th annual trek of the Punxsutawney Groundhog Club. Punxsutawney Phil, the seer of seers, the prognosticator of all prognosticators, was gently lifted from his burrow at 7:25 a.m. Held high to sea, his faithful followers had returned with glee. Placing Phil on top of the stump, wearing groundhog ease, he directed the president, Jeff Lundy, and the inner circle to his prediction scroll that reads, "Winter has been bleak, dark, and bereft of hope. Yet winter is just another step in the cycle of life. As I look over the faces of the true believers from around the world, I lost my space. I bask in the warmth of your hearts. I couldn't imagine a better fate. With my shadow I have cast than a long, lustrous 6 more weeks of winter.
enjoy some glorious winter weather. Thank you all for coming. If you really must go, be careful and get on your buses properly, but we do invite you to keep